അനന്ത സാധ്യതകളുള്ള കോഴ്സുകൾ, പ്രൊഫഷണൽ കോഴ്സുകൾ ഇവയൊന്നും പറ്റില്ല എന്നുണ്ടോ? ഇവയൊക്കെ പഠിക്കാൻ വളരെ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടാണ് എന്ന തോന്നലുണ്ടോ? എങ്കിലും ജീവിത വിജയം നമുക്ക് ഉറപ്പാക്കണ്ടേ? അതിനെക്കുറിച്ചുള്ള സാധ്യതകൾ നൈപുണ്യ സ്കൂൾ ഓഫ് മാനേജ്മെൻറ്റിലെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് വിഭാഗം അസിസ്റ്റന്റ് പ്രൊഫസർ മിസ് മെറീന ആൻ്റണി നിങ്ങളോട് സംസാരിക്കും.
You might have made a long list of pros and cons. Why should you take a degree in English language and literature? Well, here I am, ready to clarify some of the doubts that have come into your mind. First, let me talk about what is communicative English. Communicative English degree is a study of how to effectively communicate in various fields like, let's say, politics, law, and very commonly known fields like media, online and print media, both included, teaching, and so on. As a communications major, you learn how to analyze and research information and how to effectively communicate it through speaking and writing. Now I'm going to list out some of the major reasons as to why you must choose an English communicative degree. As a communications major, you get to develop your courageous, creative, and even your out-of-box thinking. Be it you're a sports captain or a film club president, a studious student, or even someone who is an active member of the union. Whatever your interest is, whatever your field is, ultimately, especially in the English department, you all become a part of one team. That is, you get to develop your team skills. We here, the College Naipunya School of Management, Cherdala, aims and focuses on developing you, your personality, your individuality. We focus on a range of subjects from history of English language and literature to advertising, from literary criticism and theory and linguistics to a very open field like copy editing or even online and print writing. Now I'm going to list out some of the potential jobs that you can get as a communication major. I'm sure most of you are aware of these jobs and that I don't have to explain it, but well, let's see. Sometimes I might surprise you. Who knows? Some of the jobs are announcer, broadcasting media head, news editor, journalists, anchors, teachers, lawyers, politicians, business heads, social media managers, content writers, content developers, online and print content developer. Even in some media like YouTube or, well, the recently banned TikTok, actually your degree in English is beneficial for these medias. You might be thinking how? Well, like I have said before, a degree or a post-graduation degree in English helps to bring out the best in you. It helps to bring out the creative, the passionate, the out-of-the-box thinking style of you. Can you tell any degree which has an assignment that asks you to create a social media tag which has to become viral? Do you know any subject that actually forces you or asks you to go active on social media and create a content that is well accepted by people? I don't think you will find many, as much as you can find in fields related to English language. With all our areas of study that we cover during the course of your study here, there is not much that you cannot be able to do. Be it your interest in fashion or video development, video editing, content writing, or even if it's something as trivial as you might feel, YouTube video developer. All these interests can be developed and also inculcated with the study of English language. Coming back to the topic of research that I mentioned some time back, you will be required to submit a project in order to complete your degree. This project aims at exploring your interest, at exploring what your core of interest may be it in journalism, where you will be required to interview a lot of celebrities, or is it in research work, where you find your research problem, where you'll have to investigate the issue and also analyze it and then present your findings. You might be thinking why research is so important, isn't it? These research and public speaking skills are very important if you're planning to pursue a career in management or business, or even if you're planning to go for a lucrative teaching career. Now let me talk to the postgraduate students. What is the career opportunity that you have after your MA? Might be a doubt that would be in your mind. Well, one of the very commonly known aspect is that you can pursue, as I said before, research, where you will be actively pursuing a PhD, and I will be talking about the benefits of pursuing this a little later on. Another very competitive exam that you might be well aware of is NTA NET, a qualification which helps you to become a professor or a lecturer in government aided colleges. There are various fields in which you can pursue your PhD. A PhD in linguistics, in comparative literature, in English language and literature, in phonetics, and so on. The teachers who handle these subjects are as knowledgeable in their fields as are varied their interests are. We here at Naipunya are here to develop your innovative minds and to explore and bring out your innovative sides, as well as to develop your passions and dreams. Surely any profession allows you to meet new people, but let me assure you, a profession in English communication field is another opportunity or a better opportunity for you to socialize and network with people. As soon as you meet new people, you try to connect the dots as to how you can effectively help each other out with better or new opportunities, or even explore fields that are unventured. You should never feel that you have less opportunities than your peers who are pursuing degrees in professional courses. That's not so. You become a part of the world's 20% population that are speakers of this language. You can land any job of your choice. You can follow any passion of yours. Just let me remind you a few tips that can help you along the way. Always keep yourself updated. Read dailies like newspapers and magazines to be well versed in the happenings, in the current happenings of the world. Learn about recent technologies and various new innovations that are coming up in the field, so that you can be also a standout among the crowd. All these will make you a sought-out candidate by any job company. I hope I have been able to be a help for you, hoping a very bright and happy future to you all. See you. Thank you.